May 25th, 2024. We've got a new 2-acre plot. I think in the last intro you saw us, finally getting a dozer down here and doing some work. Now we're gonna lay some buckwheat on it. We've got about 200 pounds of buckwheat. Gonna put on this, help with the nutrition. Come in probably next weekend and hit some plot starter on it. So off to the spreading.
Any thoughts?
I think she's gonna be a killing machine once we figure out what we want to put in here in the fall. So, how long do you think it'll take before the buckwheat?
About a week. Doesn't take very long.
And how long before it's mature enough that you want to run it?
8 to 10 weeks.
So,
Beginning of August.
Yeah, 1st of August. That's perfect, because then the plot will be perfect for October. I like it. Now we just got to get the stones out. How to eat an elephant. One bite at a time.
Hit it.
Ten. I'll start up top. Got any spots where you think you missed? I just got a couple handfuls. Did you didn't do the road all the way across?
Yep.
Okay. I want to come in with a chainsaw, cut a trail. Clear those trees out so the deer feel like they're comfortable. And then I think we need a rock picking party. 4th of July rock picking party. Just get the main ones.
How do you eat an elephant?
One bite at a time. And that's how we'll get the rocks out of here. One rock at a time. Well, that's it. Buckwheat's down, fertilizer's down, and hopefully 8 to 10 weeks from now we'll be putting a food plot in. Here's plot start.
Plot start. Oh yeah, we got that. So here's Uncle back at it.